Hi friends, good afternoon to all. Today I'm telling you about that digital well-being. This is very nice topic to live well in our technology world. This is your happy Srinivas. I hope last week is spent very happily. See about that digital well-being, most of the times if we want to spend 5 minutes, it will take sometimes half an hour, 1 hour also. But when we commit internally, I want to spend either 5 minutes or 10 minutes with that commitment, it is very easy to come out of that, whichever the task you are doing in the technology. Sometimes while doing the work, many notifications will disturb us. It will lead to strain also. That is why if we turn off that, if you activate that don't disturb button, then automatically we can easily do our work. See why many people, even though they know also, sometimes they are lacking because not taking the action with the useful thought and not implementing with the courage. See, most of the people like hours together, simply in hands they will use mobile, keep on with that, they will hands also get the pain, sometimes neck will get the pain, back side also pain will come. Like that, when we are using continuously screen, that time eyes also will get the strain. So even though we are using the for comfort purpose, it is coming the problem to health also. That is why always we should use all the technology related things for our happy life. Always things we should use, either you take the example of mobile or any electronic device, we should not addict to that. Normally starting moment for getting the happiness, even though if we use also, after a few days we will addict to that habit. It is very difficult to come out. That is why daily take some time limit. Within that limit, if we use it, then it will be useful to you. Not only that, the remaining time it is very easy to spend with the family members also. Wherever we see right now, either bus or train, flight, wherever we see, just everybody they are using the mobile, like texting, like watching videos or anything. But can we think once, are we really missing the external world or not? If we are spending too much time in the screen world, like in the technology, there is a very less possibility to connect to the others. That is why we have to take some time to speak to your friend or to spend your family, to do the exercise or anything. At least 1 hour starting time, starting days, at least 1 hour if we take screen off completely. If we use that time for our productivity purpose, just like spending with the family or interest work for doing, if we allot that time, then it will be more useful. So instead of using the alarm for that, with that technology, we can use the normal alarm also. Yes, and if you want to de-edit from these devices, make that strong commitment. One day I have to be completely free from that device. That is also possible, but we should gradually take step by step. First like 1 hour, next 1.5, 2 hours, just like that. If we are taking that one, it is very easy. See, nowadays the devices we are giving to our kids also, if they are not listening, just we are giving that device, we are doing our work, but how much that problem will come, we don't know nowadays. Even if you see wherever small kids, they are having like pets. Not only that, they are habituated that devices, means even though while eating also, without the device they are not at all eating that one. Because of that, they are getting like very body weight, like that also it is increasing. As per that measurement body weight, it is not there. Like that, their heavy weight also, it is increasing that one. That is why we should not do that one. Always the technology we should use for our happiness purpose. Wherever we are going also, sometimes we will show more interest to record the video or to show the selfies. See, for remembering purpose, 1 or 2, that is more than enough. But we are spending time, energy to go somewhere to relax. By that time also, simply we are editing only for mobile, means there is no use at all. Very nice videos and pics already it is available in the YouTube, like in Google also. We have to declutter whatever the unnecessary things are there in mobile also, we have to do that one. Because of that unnecessary keeping that numbers or photos or anything, unknowingly the vibrations will pass on, negative vibrations it will come. That is why when we have the time, we can spend wisely to declutter that unnecessary things. One day take some time and do that one. After doing everything, how you will feel very happy. See, take one example. In the mind, if not having any unnecessary negative thoughts, how you will feel more relaxed. In the same manner, if you are using only whichever is more useful, that things in the mobile, then always it will be benefit for you. By using the mobile, we are sophisticating our life very happily. But whether we are lacking in other way, like happiness, health, or productivity time, we should think once. Simply we are lot of time spending also, it will strain more to our body also. In the subconscious mind, always create one small statements, either 2 or 3. I use the technology only for my happiness purpose, my healthy purpose. Then slow by slow, whichever you are thinking and speaking, according to that only we can use that one. Starting early times when we are using like Facebook or anything, previous days Orkut also it is there, but while searching that one, we try to just spend half an hour, 1 hour, unknowingly it will be happened 3 hours, 4 hours also. See, because of the technology we are losing our this valuable sleep also. If you are not having sufficient sleep also, it is impacting our daily activities. But if you really have sufficient sleep, you can do your work very happily. Your productivity also, it will be gives good result. So try to think very any situation as it is, that time you can use anything properly. Every excess is always leads to the destruction. Anything if we are using in our life, it should be always in the constructive manner, it should not be destructive. But few times we will always use that technology rather than the constructive, destructive way. When we are using that destructive way, we will blame others. We should not think about ourselves. That is why when we are using that technology also, always wisely we have to use that word. See, if we are having one passion, based on that passion, if we are searching either YouTube or Google, we can use our life very happily. Simply wasting time also, we feel that no problem, like that we will think, but we think only that one, but it is not like that. Whatever we are seeing and thinking, we can register in the subconscious mind. It will impact the decision making also. Why nowadays most of our generation, whichever task we are doing, we should get immediate result, because on the screening whatever we are seeing, immediately we are getting the result. So externally, if we are taking some delay, we are losing our patience. We are not using our values also. That is why before using anything also, whether it is giving correct result, correct, useful to me or not, just think and use it, then it will be always useful, always getting the benefit. Blindly if we are using, because of that we are facing some problem also. See, some friends are showing the interest to accept the invitation like that. Might be we don't know, or we are getting more friends. Just like if we accept, after few days, after chatting sometime again, if that any problem will come, then that is why in the technology we should not reveal any personal information. We cannot think, everybody will think only positive. Some people will think negative also. That is why try to use as much as you need in the right way. You are using the technology for booking cinema ticket or any purpose, but think twice before doing any activity, because everybody using their time, energy, money, these all are very important in our life. Once if we lose, we won't get, right? That is why most of the times while spending with the technology, have same balance in the real life also. I think most of the people 4 to 5 hours also simply spending the time. Even though we are spending also, we are forgetting that giving the relaxation to our eyes and mind also. That is why at least I think some reminders also should be there in YouTube or while using the technology, by using the third party app also. At least every half an hour or 1 hour, just take 2 minutes or 3 minutes gap, get relaxed. Again, if it requires, then you can go ahead. But it is not like that. Most of the people simply, if we are using, we never communicate outside people, we never think about taking water or eating food, simply keep on going. See, always try to remember very simple thing. Life is very simple, but because of all these activities, it is making more complexity. See, we are living our life based on either parents' decision or friends' decision. We are showing some interest. So we are not living as per our decision. That life is not actual life. So at least once if we know some information, if we realize that one, we can think exactly who I am, what decision I can take, what makes me more happy. It should come from internally. Then you can go ahead. See, any decision which you are taking, just keep 1 week, 2 weeks. Keep it like that. Again, after 2 weeks also, that desire which you take in, the decision still you want to do, that is your real decision. Go ahead with full guts. If you are using 30%, 60% energy to do any work, we are getting that results, whichever we are putting the efforts. Even though we have 100%, 120% efforts, why can't we use that 100 or 120% as efforts for using this technology in our real life? Recently I saw one thing, when the kid, he's asking the father, "Daddy, I also want to give some money to spend with me." See, we are like involving in the technology, we are forgetting the real life, real moments. One thing I am telling you, whatever we are seeing also, if we watch the sunrise, it won't equal to your technology related. Even lakhs or 10 lakhs, that doesn't matter, which we are seeing that naturality can't replace any time. Naturality is always natural. That's it. So try to use this is itself a big gadget, right? When we are thinking exactly, who am I, what I know, what I want to know. When we are alone, if we are thinking about strengths and weaknesses, rather than everyone, we can easily understand ourselves. By understanding that, we can make that weaknesses to be strength. When we are making that strength, we can use not only this device, anything, the balanced way. But for temporary happiness, we are spending with these mobiles, TVs, like gaming. Temporary happiness never gives permanent happiness. There is a lot of difference, earth and sky. We are doing activities every day, different, but is it possible to spend 5 to 10 minutes without doing anything external or internal? Damn sure, it is very difficult. But if we try, then we will come to know. Because of long journey, if we are keep on doing for happiness, for earning money, this and that, suddenly not doing for internally and externally, oh my God, yes. That also gives the happiness, relaxing your mind, give the correct intuition to do the task very effectively. See, take this example, mobile also. If we want to charge, we should not touch the mobile. We are just keeping the charging, right? That is only we are getting the charging. That mobile is charging. But in the same manner, the real source, that being state, when we are in the alone, if we are know that technique to connect the source to supreme source, the same energy will flow you also. Just think practical way. This is not like theoretical, just they are doing this, these are doing, here is already there, I know that. The way of listening also, there is a one way is there. I know very well like that. If you are thinking, that's it. That balance is that we are coming down. If you are keep on thinking like that, that is why either small kid or grown person, anybody while telling with open mind, with silent listener, then he is the person to learn something, to grow internally. Our society taught us simply earning money or using this technology or attractions, everything keep on going. We can't say like limits, but we should come out of that. But if we are keep on only blindly beliefs, if we can't break that beliefs, in our most of the life, waste of time, energy, money, simply like that, If we want to share any experience also, simply copy paste life as it is, as like that. We should not be like that. Always I used to say only one thing: get 1 hour time to yourself, not for others, not for work, not for family, not for society, not for anything, only for you, for your goodness. That 1 hour productivity time to use well, then you can see the difference in daily activity. Most of the times in this generation, after the current situation happened, so many people realize about health and happiness. That is very good thing. We are learning something, but we are giving attention about the food to the body. What about the mind? Really, are we giving some attention to the mind? I don't think so. 80 to 90% people, those who are giving the attention to the mind, never get disappointed, never feel any disturbance internally, because they know how to balance. That is why have some time, think yourself, what exactly I want. Might be we won't get immediately. If we are keep on thinking by conscious mind, that thoughts, it will reach to the subconscious mind, it will try to tell the best one. Whichever we want to do the life, always, if our intellect is correct in every decision, we can lead the happy and enjoyable life. I tell one more thing, that detachment. Most of the people, attachment only will give the happiness. No, that is the blind belief. Even though you are lakhs of crores of people, if you are detached that time, you are enjoying your loneliness everywhere. But what other people will think, keep on thinking, we are losing our energy, time. By listening, it seems to be simple. When we realize, when we understand, when we have making that internal molding mind without fear, with elevated thoughts, if we are leading our life, that time see the miracle. See one animal, lion. See, it is not heaviest, it is not strongest, it is not intelligent, it is not the highest. Still, why it is more regard to everything? Because it is having the courage, that confidence. Where is that? Taking the example of that means we should learn something to implement in our real life. When we have that clarity, what exactly we want, that time that confidence and courage will come. If we are having lot of knowledge about the others, if we take that decision also, simply we will ask the others only, is it right or wrong? Am I correct? Even though after you doing very well, is it right? Why we are asking? Because the lack of clarity and confidence. When we have internally that clarity and confidence, if you are showing, if you are doing, if you are telling something, that expresses automatically. That is why spend your valuable time to learn something every day, not just for wasting the time to unnecessary things. If we are wasting the time, time also will waste us, right? If we are giving the time, value the time, time will also give value to us. Time is more than the money, right? We already learned. Then most of the times simply see in the conversation, either phone or anywhere, if the 10 words is required, make it short and simple, 3 words, 4 words. See, you are using that, you are saving the energy. Use that energy where exactly it requires. It is not like that. Simply keep on talking, keep on using, killing the time. But I want to be happy, peace, always. How? Which input you are giving, that output only will get. As the reap, sow the seed. As simple as that. We never change the situation with the same thinking without changing the thinking. Because of previous life understanding, whichever decisions we are taking, with that only we are leading our lives. But everyone wants to change their lives, not as much as your word comes. Have that full confidence, full proper sufficient knowledge, relevant knowledge, internal mind, then you can take that right decision, you can lead very happy life. See, digital well-being related, if I want to say, we have to use that screen lightness also always very less. We should not use like highness, because always if you keep on seeing, it gives strain to the eyes and the body also. And one more thing, while using the internet also, don't think I am only knowing everything. If you are in that blind belief, again we are losing our golden valuable moments outside. It is not the daily serial we can see later like that. Real life means whichever you want to show the interest, you have to take time, you have to spend the time, you have to gain it. Without spending, without putting sufficient effort, nothing will come. Starting time might be we will get some pain like disturbance. If you are taking like doing exercise or wake up early morning. But starting few days only, that is why any bigger decision while taking, just take small steps, then you will feel very happy. Suddenly we can't drive the car, right? Slow by slow, walking, again cycling. After we got some experience, confidence, next you can go for it, further thing, right? Like that only, step by step. Whichever we are doing anything, just observe the situations. Most of the people, they are teaching something either positive or negative. If the positive will come, then it will add the boost to our life. If negative will come, we have to take care of it. But that understanding also, with the internal stamina and the internal strength only, we can easily understand that one. In this digital technology, we are spending lot of time in front of only computer or mobile or TVs, never give permanent happiness, no doubt at all. That is why have some screen free time, have detoxification from these gadgets. Nowadays in major cities like Bangalore, like 1 week, 10 days, digitally free, like that also detoxification they are doing, means how we are using the technology. If this much technology will grow in our life compared to previous 100 years, if we are using like this, we should be happy internally also. If you are not keeping the being accurately, that means like a constructive way, simply if you are using, that won't give any proper a correct result. I think you people understand what I'm telling you. If anybody is listening, just reply in the message also. I want to see if anybody want to understand the digital well-being related. If any query also, you can type that one. I'm very happy. See what I'm telling you. Always try to be simple. See the situations as it is, not the blind beliefs, not unnecessary kahani, like stories. We are adding that because of that blind belief, adding stories only. Life seems to be very difficult to so many people. That is why life is very, very, very simple, but we are continuously struggling to come out of that life because of making so much unnecessary activities. Try to be calm yourself. Have a continuous learner. Improve that internal communication skills, knowledge skills, body language skills. There are a lot of information is there around us, but the way we are thinking based on that only, we are grabbing that one. But I can tell you one thing, make yourself in the day at least 2 to 3 times relaxing. When we are doing any work with the relaxation, your productivity will be always, compared to normal, it should be a little bit beneficial only, you will get that one. So don't misuse that time. Have some chart, like half an hour, 1 hour I will be completely free from this gadget. Just use that time for your family members. Otherwise, have the habit of reading book. There are so many things. Just have that brickwork, just 10 to 20 minutes. I will give one more example. Even though if you want to purchase something, it is very near to you also, just have a walk 5 to 10 minutes. It is good only for health. Try to prefer more walk rather than just using the vehicles. And one more thing, while giving the kids also, until unless it is very needful, we should not give these devices to the kids. By giving kid that dopamine, by releasing the kids will be more addicted to that device, because we are, until unless we open something in this technology, we don't know what it is coming, either good or bad. The way we are seeing, even though goodness, bad, we cannot change, but the person is seeing even though the situations is completely different, that means in the midst of negative, he is seeing that positive, he will make the difference. As simple as that. But that maturity, that understanding also, it should come, right? Simply if we are telling, it won't come. We should face something. Try to learn other languages. Have that relaxation by using that nice music. Improve by understanding, by selecting your passion related topics. I will tell one more site, that is Quora, Quora. Yes, by using this Quora, even though if we don't get any answers from the Google, if we type, then that related pupils, they will give answer to you. You will feel surprised that one. Really, my personal experience, after I'm using that, I change myself in the terms of health related. Yes, I proudly say Quora is given, I think, a different way of little bit good thinking, different very healthy and happy lifestyle also. So like this, technology is giving that much of comfortableness to us. We should not misuse that one. Even so much negative also it is there in the net, but until unless we are connecting to that, we will if we are connecting that only, we were facing some disturbance and difficulty, right? If you are not using that one, we will be always happy only, right? But that control, it should not be in the mobile, it should be in your control. When you will have that control, when you have sufficient that related correct knowledge only we will have. Otherwise simply we will be addicted. In early days anything it seems to be very easy, but to come out of that, not that much easy. Because creating any circle, creating any habit, very easy, but breaking that habit and coming out of that, not that much easy. That is why in this society also, even though they are earning so much money or they are living very highly sophisticated life also, because of that wrong habits after it formed, they are not getting come out of very easily. That is why you have to be free completely from internal to that external world. Again I am telling you, detachment is the ultimate best one to be happy, to be support to the family, to do your task, to do everything. So what other things unnecessarily which you are using that one, we are only facing that consequences. Like creating the passwords, remembering that passwords. If you are misusing that one, that means if you are not using correctly that one, then also the problem will come. So that is why if you want to use your own creativity, if you want to grow from your internal, you have to use less technology and you have to use more your valuable time to yourself rather than the others, because you are only getting that own thoughts and creation thoughts, right? When it will come, when you are spending your time with yourself. That is why most of the people very rarely will realize that one, simply because of the situation. People we keep on influenced by others, we won't get our sufficient time, we won't get our correct decisions, we keep on leading our life like this only. We should not be in that trap. We should come out of, have your own decision, have your own thinking pattern. If you want to change, just have the positive affirmations. With the simple tool we can very easily change anything. Even though we know also we are not starting. Why? Because of lack of some confidence, because lack of that sufficient knowledge, we are not taking the decision. If you want to take the right decision also, simply keep on thinking also, you won't execute. It will take more time again. It is giving the burden also, it gives strain, stress also. That is why really, if you want to take one decision, have the courage, have the full confidence, go for it with your internal strength and stamina. That doesn't stop you. Whoever others showing interest, others doing or not, others telling something different or not, because that is not, that decision not given and taken by others. That decision yourself you thought and created. You are only manifested, you are only executing. You have to get end result. Until unless the commitment you have, you should not complete that task also. You can take small example of exercise, small example of taking the sufficient time while using the technology. Anything you can take that one. Have that proper timing. In that timing, use it. You can keep it aside. As simple as that. In one video, I saw one kid, because of not giving that phone, he is crying and his legs also changing like anything. He is not at all listening. That much of addicted and dopamine released in the mind. One biggest thing I'm telling you, whatever we are seeing and listening or anything, either technology related or outside, we don't know right now the consequences. Slow by slow, it will go and absorb in one place. The time will come, it will burst. See, by listening it seems to be very simple, but the reality is like that only. Why few people are getting suddenly different like chronic diseases or different strain, stress. They're not simply just by 1 month, 2 months. From the long time, keep on doing that correct activity, it is coming like that only. This mobile, if you are not using that correct way, obviously it will give that bad result only, negative result only. So how you are seeing, how you are using, always it is very, very useful to you. How much required, that much use it, then it never disturb you. Have the balanced mind, always have that simple life to live fullest, whatever it is. Internally, with correct information, with correct decision, if you are keep on going in your life, no matter what, you have to grow, not for externally, even internally also. That is real life. Simply earning money, spending time, leading life, it won't give ultimate result, ultimate satisfied life. The internal, while learning, you are feeling happy every day, that makes life a little bit change. Think yourself whether it is right or wrong. Either I am saying, either might be you are reading or listening somewhere, doesn't matter. Whether it is relevanting to your understanding, have that clarity, catch it, use it, grow. As simple as that. And finally, this 1 minute. See, in this digital technology, we should be very, very, very careful. Are we spending at least 2 hours, 3 hours without using this, only our work related? Very difficult. But when the real work you have to do like that, if the situation will come, if you are addicted like this, addiction to these devices, that time it is very difficult. Try to be detached way using these devices, then it never disturb you. I think people will say always, we have to love people, not devices, but more than people loving devices, whether it is, might be you think right or wrong, but it is more than 100% that is right. Why? Because of internal that dopamine increasing, internal different newness, new happiness you are requiring every time. The desire, it is also increasing. It is not a mirage. Just understand the importance of word, that mirage. In the forest also, if you are going somewhere, we are thinking there is a water, but that is mirage. Again you are going somewhere, again that is mirage. Like that only, this technology also. Lot of unnecessary information. Simply if we are thinking, we are getting our originality and we are getting diluted our own decisions also. That is, if it requires, use it, otherwise keep it aside. As simple as that. Life is always very simple. If you want to live your life, you have to use the screen time little bit less, slow by slow, Don't compare to others. Have your own decisions. Think yourself whether it is right or wrong, rather than asking others with your full confidence internally. Once you got clarity and confidence, then go for it to achieve. Nothing will come very easily until unless we fight and struggle. In our society, everybody is teaching something. If we don't have that way of understanding and attitude, we are losing even that one also. Nobody is not responsible to our actions, our way of thinking, our way of taking a decision. That is only our responsibility. Even the very bad situations will happen outside also. In that moment also, how you are thinking internally. Are you keeping the balanced mind? Are you taking the right decision? Otherwise, it will impact health, wealth, family relationship, everything. Even though some unwanted or negative situation will happen also, it is teaching something. If we learn that one, you can grow, you can go ahead instead of stopping, keep on thinking that one. When you're completely stopped from your past, you can enjoy every moment. That is why always live fully in the present moment. When you are living in the past or future, you are not enjoying the present moment, because present is always presentation. It is wonderful gift. Have that clear clarity to see the situations as it is without blind beliefs. You will get the solution. Not immediately, but slow, by experience, by understanding all that. I think these are the information which I am sharing about that digital well-being, but we should not be always in this technology trap to misuse that time and wasting that our valuable moments. Always have sufficient limited time to enjoy your real life. What else I can say about this? As simple as that. Your real life is always 1,000 times better than this screen life. Screen life never give that ultimate happiness. You can think, you can just relate these words like this. These are all technology, just like temporary. Your real life is permanent happiness. Just have the decision. You want temporary happiness or permanent real happiness. If you want that, go for it. Otherwise, as it is, as simple as that. The thoughts which you are thinking also, when you are having silent mind, when you are alone, then you will get that creativity. Everyday work also you can do little bit change. You will feel very happy internally. You won't get outside anywhere when you are doing with a different decision also. These are all with the internally, while learning, while enjoying the work with the happiness, then you can do. Try to understand. We are not just like telling theory or just copy paste like that. We are talking very real reality life information with practical examples. Even though if we don't understand, we have to listen once again this, and we have to get the clarity. Okay, so thank you for listening. Venugopal and Narendra Chari. Hi Narendra. Hi Kaja. Harish Kadiala. Okay, thank you very much. Hi Uday Babu. How are you? Uday Babu. Jatin. Cool. Hi Jatin. Hi Rahul. How are you? Hi Parth Sardi. How are you? Ajay. Hi those. I'm very happy to meet every week like this, but try to learn some unknown things to implement in our real life. Whichever position, whichever work we are doing, that is different thing. If we stop to learn internally, our growth or happiness also, that it will stop there itself. That is why be continuous listener. do every work with happiness. When you are in happy, everybody wants to communicate, everybody wants to speak something, at least they will wish, right? Even though they don't give that much importance. When we are happy, we will use very less energy. We want with less effort, high benefit. If we want that, we have to use effective way, right? Anything, it is, everything is easy until unless it is you habituate. Every impossible task, it will be easy when you know the way which you want to do easily. If we don't know, if we are struck by mental block blindly, there itself finish. We can't execute very happily. This is the life to live happily, not for happiness. Once if we want to only happiness, the temporary we will get, again we will seek like mirage. We should not be like that. Always we should work our life, either work or personal life, anything with the happiness. Wish you all the best. Have little bit less screen time. Enjoy the real life. Know the difference between permanent and real happiness. Never misuse unnecessarily anything, because we don't know now. Later only we will realize if we don't realize now. Thank you for listening to everyone once again. Wish you happy Sunday. Take care. Wish you all the best. Bye.